Today, the topic of our video is AI employee overview. So, imagine if your business could reply to your clients 24 by 7 instantly. They can book appointments and do follow up without you doing anything. That is what AI can help you achieve through GHL. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete overview of how AI works inside GHL. So now before we discuss any feature of the AI inside GHL, let us understand how AI works inside GHL. So AI in GHL is not a tool, but it is a system or a collection built of different systems that help you automate your communication, decision making, and AI workflows. So instead of manually communicating to your customers, qualifying your leads, and booking appointments, you will sit and AI will do that for you. So now let us discuss some of the core features of AI. Okay, and the first is conversation AI. So what is conversation AI and what can do that for you is the question that will be ringing in your mind. So conversation AI is the most powerful feature in our GHL. So what AI chatbots can do that for you is that it can reply your customers on Facebook, Instagram, and SMS. They can respond to messages on your website, and they can also book appointments for you. Then there are voice agents. So voice agents can do calls, they can answer incoming calls, they can talk in natural human voice, and they can also book appointments and do also follow-ups. And there are also some other features like AI help you in workflows building. It can enhance your workflows. Then is also content AI. So what this content AI do is that it can enhance your emails, your messages, or your responses that you give to your clients. So these are some of the core features that we will discuss in detail in the upcoming videos. For now, let me give you a simple real life example. For example, you have a clinic on your own. You have a customer that come to you through Facebook and you are busy currently. The customer will do so now, but you have AI sitting there. It will reply to your customer quickly, immediately, even if you are not available. So what your lead is saved. It is not, you have not ghosted your client, and it can book appointment from that lead and also send reminders to you as well as the customer. So in the next videos, I'm going to give you a brief context about how these features work.